Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I have a little bit of update for you about how I spent my weekend and of course some update on my progress with my Myka Jelina canvas from Diamond Art Club, which I am completing as part of hashtag Mykathon1. So, as some of you may know, I spent the weekend at the Greymare camp celebrating the pagan festival of Lammas. It is a harvest festival and I go with the same group of people every year to celebrate, and it is the best time. However, this time was incredibly hot and I struggled a lot. As again, some of you may know, I don't leave the house very often, so going camping, even with a group of people who I know and love very dearly, is quite a tricky thing for me to do, and it takes a lot of energy for me to get through that. That being said, was a lovely time, and I'll have put some pictures in so that you can have a little look. But because I didn't cope well with the heat, I didn't get a chance to actually vlog at all, which had been my original plan. I really wanted to be able to share a little bit of my weekend with you. So, with camping behind me, I have now gone full steam ahead back into my Myka Jelina. I am completing Betsylynn, as you know, and I am really enjoying it. The squares are beautiful quality. There's lots of chunky colour blocking that I can really just go at with a big multi-placer, and I'm really enjoying it. So yes, that is my update for now, and I will be back again with more information, more unboxing and more craftiness in the coming videos. So until then, please do consider leaving a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.